Hey there YouTubers, welcome to another YouTube video on UATech. In today's video, I am going to be discussing and showing you how to fix a thumbnail size. You know, sometimes where you get a notification of 2 MB that you cannot post a thumbnail bigger than 2 MB. I recently have this problem, so I wanted to show you guys. So here, as you guys can see, I have a file bigger than 2 MB, and I want to upload a thumbnail on my UAVlog channel. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on those post notifications on my UAVlog channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on upload thumbnail, go and choose the thumbnail that I wanted to add, and still say this file is bigger than 2 MB. Now, how do I change that? As you guys can see here, I'm actually highlighting it. How do I change that? Now, what I want you to do is go into your file explorer and go into the pictures tab wherever you have saved it. Go ahead, and as you can see, it's a JPG file. Go ahead, right click, and then you want to look for open with, and then you're going to click on paint.net. Alright, once you're clicking on paint.net, it's going to go ahead, take some time to load. Alright, here we go. Now here, as you guys can see, the image is opened with paint.net. Now what you want to do is go ahead and file, don't do anything, just go ahead and file, save as, change the image, change the name. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and no, I don't think I should probably rename it to something. You know, I'm just gonna remove this and then save it to get you guys. Alright, here is where the magic happens. As you guys can see, it is 2.1 MB, and YouTube doesn't really like that. They want it lower than 2 MB, as you guys know. So, as here we have bigger than 2 MB, and that's true, it's 2.1 MB. So here, this blue arrow, we're going to reduce it as much as possible, as like close to 2 MB. Like we can sometimes make it 1.8, 1.7, 1.9. 1.9 is the best we can do here, as you guys can see. Just go ahead and click that OK button, and alright, it's going to save that picture. Go ahead, upload thumbnail, make sure you choose the right one. Alright, that's the old one, and then the one on the left is the new one. Alright, this is the new one, and that was the old one, the JPG file. And there you go. That is your thumbnail. Reduced thumbnail, no changes, only reduce the size of it from 2.1 MB to a 1.9 MB. That was perfect. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, go ahead, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!